Hello lovely people, this is Kat Lakoe, Vixen DeVille, and welcome to my online course in fire eating and body burning. You'll have seen me performing fire on the West End stage, in music videos, commercials, even on CW's Masters of Illusion. It is above and beyond one of the most requested of all of my performance skills. Over the years, I've taught fire in person to thousands of people. You may have even seen me teaching people to eat fire live on stage as part of my solo show in just 6 minutes. People have come to train with me from all over the world, specifically through Airbnb experiences, but now this training is available to you wherever you are. When you sign up for this course, you'll get a lifetime instant access to my online instructional video and accompanying PDF. So there's no having to access Zoom, there's no having to schedule your time. You can pause, you can rewind, you can watch it as many times as you want. You work through the course at your own pace in your own time. The informational video will take you step by step through my technique for fire eating, body burning, flame transfers, and some fire trails, all supplemented by the information in the PDF. You'll gain knowledge of the ideal equipment and materials to use, along with comprehensive information on fire safety and risk reduction. In addition to all this, you'll discover ways to transfer this skill to the stage, with practical information on how to incorporate this skill into your performance repertoire. All the girls you see featured in the instructional video had never attempted to eat fire before. You'll see them pick up a torch for the first time, and an hour later they're eating fire and body burning like a pro. You'll be surprised at how simple this technique actually is. Just head over to vixendeville.com and click on online classes, or click the link below. And of course, if you have any questions on any of these training and how it all works, please get in touch, vixen@vixendeville.com.